Where I go dey by your side. 10 times when I no get to stick out, you dey by my side. So make a day your body like.
Alright guys, so first thing I do when I do my makeup is my eyebrows. I'm going to be using so I'm going to be using this Absolute New York Perfect Eyebrow Pencils to draw on the non-existent brows that's on my face. Shout out to my parents for not giving me eyebrows.
Turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I got high as the expectations. Last night, I came to a realization.
After I'm done filling in the non-existent eyebrows that I have, I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the GOAT.
Just don't understand it, no, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. Don't take my life for granted. I just don't understand it.
Now what I do to define them is I take this NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade, however you pronounce it. Dip my little e.l.f. brush in there, shape it up, and then I'm done.
Lately you just make me work too hard for you. Got me on flight of seas, I still can't get across to you. Last night, I think I lost my patience last night. I got high as expectations last night.
So yeah, I'm gonna go back and shape them up one more time, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it out.
You was just another play on a hit list, trying to push the issues with a bad bitch. Let me tell you that I was a savage. Fuck you, I was in the carriage, but you never get a match.
Now I take my stippling brush from e.l.f. and I just blend that out. This is where a lot of females go wrong. They forget to blend down this middle part so it look like, you know, a correlate, whatever, a Hollister Eagle shit, and that's no bueno. No bueno. So for me, because I have curly lashes, I gotta curl my eyelashes downwards so that when I put on my lashes it's like easier to apply. Some people think it's weird, but I just think it's, you know, it works for me.
I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night,
lash glue. I take like a brush that I have and I put the lash glue, the hair glue, I dip it inside and I just apply a little bit lightly on the strip, long end, whatever you call it, the band. You know, sometimes I'll be thinking the trick is to try to just plop it down on the middle. I don't really know how to explain it, but like you could see a little bit. But now, after I did my lashes or whatever, I went for Ardell Wispies. Never go wrong. I'm going to start priming my face. I'm just gonna spray my Marta Badescu rose water. But I'm gonna take this rose water and spray it all over my face to get all the nutrients or whatever.
Just made me work too hard for you. Got me on flight of
Now I take my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face where it has dark spots. As I could tell, I'm breaking out like crazy. I'm going to be putting this underneath my eyes, on the sides of my face, and a little bit around my mouth.
Just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it.
Now I look kind of crazy, but I'm gonna go again with my e.l.f. stippling brush and just blend that out into, you know, looks a little bit normal.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel.
Now that I'm done somewhat blending out the concealer, I'm going to be going in with my foundation, and it is the Fit Me foundation in the color 338 Spicy Brown. And I use a lot of Maybelline products nowadays, and affordable products, you know. I'm in college, I'm kind of poor, so I just stick to what I can afford.
Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it.
Now I'm going to be taking my Body Beauty Blender from Real Techniques, the GOAT, and I'm going to be blending that out all over my face and around my neck.
I just don't understand it.
Make sure you get it all the way down here, so you know you don't be two different colors. Now that I am finito blending out the foundation, I'm going to be going in again with my LA Girl concealer in pure beige and highlighting the high points of my face.
Lately you just made me work too hard for you. Got me on flight of seas and I still can't get across to you. Oh, last night I think I lost my patience last night. I got high as expectations last night. I came to realization, and I hope you can take it.
Very lightly and underneath the hollows of my cheek. And this technique is really crucial when it comes to like wanting a harsh contour. Not harsh, but like a very strong contour. But because I like it a little bit subtle, I don't add as much. Now again, I'm going back with my e.l.f. stippling brush and I'm going to be blending that in. Now I'm going to be blending out a little bit more with my beauty blender so it doesn't look too cakey.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days.
Now for contouring, I'm going to be starting off with another LA Girl product, not sponsored, hashtag, in the color Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to be putting that in the hollows of my cheek and on the sides of my nose, underneath, well, basically my whole chin area, neckline area.
I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it all. I feel good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my
Right, the camera died, but the party didn't stop. It's time to fix up the little contour I did on my nose. As you could tell, it kind of looks not right. So I'm gonna go back in with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm going to be again adding concealer down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on the sides, just to sharpen it up so you can get that snatched nose look. Alright, so now that I'm done fixing up that little nose disaster contour, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me, another Maybelline product, Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Medium Deep 30, and I'm going to be using that to bake the highlighted areas of my face.
Don't get it twisted. You was just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it.
For blush, I'm going to be taking my 23 palette, my eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this burgundy-ish color and applying that on my cheeks so I could just bring some color back to my face.
Like they're just happier than us these days. These days I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see.
After I finish adding blush, I go back into the same eyeshadow palette, and I usually just pick any random color and I put it on my eyelid as my everyday looks. I think I'm gonna just go in with this dark brown right here. It's like a dark brown, but it has like a reddish tint to it. I think you'll be able to tell on camera, but I'm gonna add that.
I hope you can take it all. I'm so good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. No, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted.
I just don't understand it.
Oh yeah, and the camera died earlier, so I wasn't able to record the ending of my makeup, but I feel like you guys should know. It's just a little highlight and some mascara and my dots. Alright guys, this is the ending of my everyday makeup tutorial. Makeup, you know, everyday makeup or whatever. I do this on a regular basis. I know it's a lot for some people, but then again,
she does this.
If you guys like it, and if you guys would like to see more stuff like this or whatever, just leave a comment down below and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more content and to see more things from Fatima and Noura. Hit the like button down below and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know every time we post a new video.
May I go chop all the washing, as long as you give me my passion. Baby, make you know they rush me. I beg you, make you treat me with caution. Leg over, my baby, give me leg over.